Welcome to our educational video on Chlorophytum Borivilianum, a natural testosterone booster known for its benefits in enhancing muscle strength, performance, and sexual stamina. In the world of fitness and performance enhancement, Chlorophytum Borivilianum stands out as a natural solution for individuals seeking to boost their vitality. This potent herb is revered for its ability to support testosterone levels, crucial for maintaining muscle strength and overall physical performance. Athletes and fitness enthusiasts often turn to Chlorophytum Borivilianum to optimize their workouts and achieve peak athletic performance naturally. The natural properties of Chlorophytum Borivilianum make it a popular choice for those looking to enhance their muscle strength and endurance levels. When it comes to improving sexual stamina, Chlorophytum Borivilianum is recognized for its positive impact on overall vitality and well-being. For individuals interested in natural supplements, Chlorophytum Borivilianum offers a promising option to support their fitness goals and well-rounded health. Exploring the benefits of Chlorophytum Borivilianum unveils a world of possibilities for those seeking a holistic approach to enhancing their physical and sexual well-being. In conclusion, Chlorophytum Borivilianum serves as a natural powerhouse, promoting muscle strength, performance enhancement, and increased sexual stamina.